evening, everybody. My first experience meeting Bala sir was in Dubai, Andy, when I was hosting a show for his cancer charity-based hospital. నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే బాలా సార్ పేరు వినిన వెంటనే ఒక భయం లాంటిది ఉంటుంది. అన్డౌటెడ్లీ ఐ నో అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ హియర్. వచ్చే ముందు మనం అందరూ చాలా వరకు అనుకున్నాం, అయ్యా సార్ వస్తున్నారు, ఈ చైర్ సరిపోతుందా, వేరే సోఫా తెప్పిద్దామా, దేర్స్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ విచ్ గో ఆన్ ఇన్ యువర్ హెడ్. ఆ భయం కంపల్సరీ ఉంటుంది. కానీ దుబాయ్లో నేను కూడా ఆ ఫియర్తోనే ఆ షోని హోస్ట్ చేశాను. కానీ యాజ్ ద షో ప్రోగ్రెస్డ్ ఫర్దర్, I realized that the most chilled out, senior most actor, hero, legend, I mean, he is beyond all of it. He is the most approachable, common man that I have known. Any and every function that he goes to, obviously, ఆయనకి ఆ ఫంక్షన్తో సంబంధం ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా, but when he endorses something, he endorses it with that 100% and full heart. No wonder he's called the man with the golden heart. And our same energy, the same positive attitude he's got with himself today at Guntur Talkies trailer launch. So thank you so much, sir. That positive energy is exactly what we need, and that is what you have given us. So thank you so very much. And I have to thank Praveen sir, my director Praveen sir, for only that one thing, which is, what can I say, Praveen? Thank you so much for reducing that gap between television and cinema. Thank you so much for that, Praveen. Cinema, I'm telling this for you. Thank you so much for reducing that distance between cinema and television, for giving me this opportunity as one of the lead roles. Kani cinema lo there's no such thing as hero, heroine or anything of that sort. Andru vachi characters play chestunnaru. Thank you so much, Radha, the girl with a very, very beautiful heart, I must say. Thank you so much for being there. Yeah, Sidhu, amazing co-actor. We have a lot of stuff out there, but yeah, that's ahead. And the entire team of Guntur Talkies, the technical crew. Ram Reddy sir, thank you so much. Where is he? Yeah, Ram Reddy sir, thank you so much. Everybody is calling me gorgeous and glamorous. The entire credit goes to him, and of course Praveen for those shots. And to the entire crew, team of Guntur Talkies, thank you so much once again. It's been a long journey. Let's make it successful. Thank you.
అందరూ మనకు అబ్బాయి పుట్టాలని అనుకుంటున్నారు. నీకెవరు పుట్టాలనుంది? ఏంటి నందు మాట్లాడట్లేదు?